Is your chin sagging, or do you snore every night? The hidden culprit is actually your tongue. When your tongue muscles weaken with age, it drops down and ruins everything. A low tongue blocks your airway, causing snoring and sleep apnea. Even worse, it makes your jawline disappear, making you look much older. But here is a 30-second miracle: the tongue press. Do this right now. First, press your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth. Not just the tip, the whole thing. Now, push up hard as if you're swallowing. Hold this for 30 seconds while breathing through your nose. Feel that tension under your chin? That's your muscles waking up. Do this 3 times a day. In just 1 week, you'll notice a sharper jawline and better sleep. Want more anti-aging secrets? Subscribe to Age Well and stay young with us.